Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials done quickly. Make sure battery is above 50% and the headset is updated, because interrupted installs cause errors. Next, open the Oculus mobile app and enable developer mode for your headset. This unlocks sideloading capabilities. Once developer mode is active, install SideQuest Mobile on your Android phone from the Play Store. I'm telling you how and why. Developer mode allows alternative apps, and SideQuest handles APK installation without a PC, so you can continue inside the headset. Once SideQuest is running, connect to your Quest 2 using USB or Wi-Fi ADB. Accept the trust prompt in the headset. This authorizes installations. Next, add the CX File Explorer APK into SideQuest Mobile, or use SideQuest's built-in browser to fetch it. SideQuest manages file transfer reliably without a PC. Then install the APK through SideQuest and watch for permission prompts. Make sure to grant storage access. I explain why. SideQuest bridges your phone and headset, enabling safe sideloading and preserving your device's existing files. To finish, open your library, choose Unknown Sources, and launch CX File Explorer. Then pin it to your apps for easy retrieval. If the install fails, toggle developer mode off and on, reboot the Quest, and try the installation again. This clears transient authorization issues. For persistent ADB problems, switch from USB to Wi-Fi or vice versa. Check that your phone uses file transfer/ADB mode and reinstall SideQuest. That troubleshooting step usually resolves most connection and permission errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.